A delegation of the Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee on Thursday met Governor Satyapal Malik to apprise him of the situation after the government last week decided to relocate them from Harijan colonies situated at Them Yo Malong Silong. In a memorandum submitted to Malik, the Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee stated that the decision to relocate the residents taken by the cabinet has disturbed the peace amongst the citizens of Meghalaya and public at large. Manjinder Singh Sirsa, president of the Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee, told reporters that they produced documents, the title of the property and the court order from the Meghalaya High Court, which clearly states that even if these people are illegally occupying this land, they cannot be evicted forcefully or without the due process of law to the governor. According to Sirsa, the court has also established the formation how to evict them.
They do not want to move from them, first of all. But at the same time, if there is some agreement, the government should sit with them and discuss that, okay, we want to offer you this. Let them have a discussion within their community and decide it on. But this cannot be a one-sided order that, okay, the chief minister decided to relocate them and they will be relocated. No. If there is any proposal, they should bring proposal in front of them. And they should also make a consensus within other people. What is the proposal? Where is the proposal? There is no such proposal. They haven't even called for them for a meeting. A meeting they were never called for a meeting. So if there is any kind of proposal, then they should discuss with them and let them take a call. It shouldn't be forcefully. We will also take up this matter to the appropriate court again and also with the Home Minister of India. The ministry, the government is not giving them either the report copy, the HLC report, what was that report, neither they are sharing the tripart agreement which they have made with the CM of Millennium. They are not sharing with them. Then what is the purpose that they don't want to share with them? Why they are hiding? There is something fishy. That is the reason they are hiding. It has to all to be a mutually. It can't be forcefully. Had government or high level committee ever had a discussion with them? No. Then how can they simply decide the property belongs to me? If this property is, I got a right on this property, how can a government sitting in office and can decide that, okay, we want to relocate you? Then that also had to be mutually. Either mutually or by the way of law, they can move to the court and tell them. But this can't be as simply that government has passed a cabinet order and chief minister is briefing the media and saying कि हम इनको एक हफ्ते में खाली करा लेंगे. This is not fair. Honorable Governor Sahib has assured us that they will not be evicted forcefully. A due process of law and especially the order of Honorable High Court will be followed with every inch, every word of this order will be followed. And as per this order, they cannot, because it's a clear status quo. And even the Honorable Court has said that nothing can be said against them and can be done against them. I think even the press briefing and the cabinet meeting is also illegal. That is also a contempt of the court, what the meeting has been called for, because there is no such provision to evict them. Because they have made up their mind. This order is with a preconceived mind. Because they want them to evict. They want to clean this area. Why? They are owner of this property. So the high level committee, I think they have gone beyond their jurisdiction. I just want to apprise you guys, the media also, that this high level committee has passed an order in 2001 and stating that they should be evicted. Rather, high power committee has no such power. They can only recommend for this. Then we move to the High Court again, and a High Court has again stayed their proceedings also, that you cannot pass any kind of such proceedings. I do not understand why then government is passing again and again order. It is what I feel is they want to communalize this situation. The government, for the purpose of election, is doing this, and I humbly request the Chief Minister of the state that being a Chief Minister, you are duty bound to save the minorities and majority. And while it comes to the minority, they might have 400 votes. But as a Chief Minister, you are constitutionally bound to protect them.